Are you here to get started with OnePageCRM? Great, no one's in the office yet, so we can have a walk around. My name's Leticia, and I'm part of the customer success team. One of our jobs here is to empower our users so they can make the most out of the system and increase their sales. And our favorite way of doing that is with our Getting Started with OnePageCRM webinar. In this live session, you will learn all about our next action principle, how to fuel your pipeline, set up templates and send emails in bulk, boost your lead generation, integrate with your favorite apps, and much more. But I promise it will only take 30 minutes of your day.
Oh hey, look who's here. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Here, I made you some tea, Leticia. Come on in. So, I hear you joining us next Tuesday, right? Yes, you are. But if you can't, that's okay. Because we are live every Tuesday at 12 p.m. New York time or 5 p.m. Dublin time. And you know, the best part is we have a Q&A at the end of the webinar so you can get all of your questions answered. Like tags or custom feed. Should I have 1 or 2 pipelines? Or maybe 3? Who knows? And what's better, tea or coffee?
Tea all the way.
So don't forget to register using the link in the description. And we'll see you there.
Hey guys!
That's Larry.
He's late for the shoot.
Yep.